Hello everyone and welcome to this super quick little video. This is the follow-up video of the how to buy crypto without a credit card video. So in the last video I showed you how you can transfer your money from your bank to Binance as a normal bank transfer. And today I will show you how we will use this money in order to buy crypto completely without a credit card. So right now we are on Binance. As said in the last video, you will have to create an account for Binance. The link is in the description. Use my sign up link. It will help the channel. Just click the link in the description to sign up for Binance. It's completely free. And then when you are here on the homepage of Binance, what you want to do is you find the menu point, buy crypto. And what you want to do is you want to go to cash balance, because basically it will take 2 to 3 days for your bank transfer to arrive at your Binance account. Yeah, so it might take a bit of time, but then it will be in your wallet under your currencies, under your fiat currencies. You can choose here pay with, well, euro, or then you can change it to like US dollars or wherever you're from. If you are from the US, use binance.us, by the way. So we hit cash balance, because now the bank transfer has arrived to our Binance account and we will have the money just available as currency that we can spend in our wallet on Binance. And now we see the same setting basically that we have seen in the other videos that I've made on this channel. You can check them out as well, where I basically show people how to buy different cryptocurrencies using their credit card. It's exactly the same setup. So here we can put in, okay, let's say 200 euros. And here, obviously in the other videos, I say, okay, you can pay it with your credit card. With a credit card, you have the 1.7% fee, but with a cash balance, you actually have a 0% fee. And this is quite amazing about this. So if you're planning on investing larger sums, the bank deposit is the better option for you. So here we see my cash balance is 0 euros because I didn't actually transfer money. I'm just here to show you how it works. But trust me guys, after 2 to 3 days, the money will be here in your wallet. You can access it, just go to fiat and spot and you'll see exactly the amount that you transferred. Here you will see your balance and you can decide how much you want to spend. If you want to spend all, just type in the exact number that you see here. And of course you can change the fiat currency there as well. And then you literally just hit buy. By the way, you select the coin here, of course. I almost forgot this. Bitcoin is pre-selected, but if you want to invest in other tokens or smaller coins or whatever, just buy BNB and then you can swap it in Pancake Swap in your Trust wallet on your phone, for example. I made lots of videos about this. Here you select the coin, you just put in the amount that you want to buy it with, and then you just hit buy whatever you want to, buy whatever coin you want to purchase. And then after some minutes, you will find the cryptocurrency that you have just purchased in your fiat and spot wallet. Actually, I think it goes a bit quicker if you have cash balance there. With a credit card, it takes some minutes longer from my own experience. So once you hover here to wallet, you can just click on fiat and spot. You want to search in the coin that you've just purchased. You click on withdraw. Let's say we purchased Bitcoin. No, let's say we purchased BNB, because this is probably what most people want to buy for the videos that I'm making. And then all you want to do is you just paste in the address of your Trust wallet. You go to your Trust wallet, click receive and paste in the address. You select the network, either BNB or Smart Chain, and then you so you select the coin that you want to withdraw. You go to your Trust wallet, you copy the address, make sure the network is the same. You'll see it on your Trust wallet. So if you want to transfer to Binance Smart Chain, or actually like the BNB network, that's different stuff. But I made videos about this. I made videos about BNB versus Smart Chain, all this stuff. Check them out on my channel. But in this video, I just wanted to show you how you actually buy crypto with your cash balance on Binance, and this has been done now. So if you want to know how to withdraw crypto to your Binance account and you don't know this yet, just check out any other of my videos. It will all be explained there in more depth. I just want to come to an end in this video because it's already a 2-part video. And this is how you buy crypto on Binance. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found some value in this video. If you did, smash the like button. It would really help my channel with the algorithm. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.